Hi, hello everyone. Greetings for the day. Welcome back to another tutorial on SQL. This is Srinath Mukamalla and you are watching the latest tutorial on SQL Server. Today we are going to learn about SQL Server string functions. We have different types of string functions like ASCII, char index, left, length, lower, upper, reverse and right, and we have different types of these string functions. Let's go to the SQL server and verify the same. So first one, ASCII. I'll give alphabet A. If I run this, I'll get 65 because ASCII value of capital A is 65. Now let me see the verify that. Select char of 65. Now we will get capital A. See, so what I'll do, I'll just verify the values from A to Z. Declare at the rate start int set equal to 65. I put while condition is not equal to 90 because 65 plus 90 we will get 60. Sorry, from 65 plus 26 we will get 90. So yes, 65 is A and 90 is Z. I'll put begin. I'll put print at the rate start set and end. Now if I run this, I got values from A to Z. So next one is char index. Select char index. So it will return the a particular index value, whatever index we give. So I'll give index as R, which is in my name. I'll put Srinath, comma. I'll put start. Just we need to give from where we need to start. I'll tell from starting. So if I run this, see, in the second position we have R. So if I change this to 3, so it will take the next R position. If we change this to 10, see, we don't have any value. Next one is uppercase. Select, see, now we have uppercase as well as lowercase. Now if I put upper, it will return only uppercase values. Okay, one second. Okay, I just made a mistake here. If I put lower, it will return only lowercase values. See, we got only lowercase values. Now reverse, we'll see what is reverse. Okay, this Srinath will be made into a reverse. Now we'll see left and right. And we need to give how many alphabets we need from left. I'll give 3 alphabets. See, we got first 3 alphabets. If I change this to right, we get alphabets from right. See, ATH. So now I'll just take what is pending. Right here is uppercase completed length. Okay, we'll see length. So select length. I'll put my name Srinath. If I run this, I'll get the length is 7. So one more thing I'll show, L trim or R trim. So select and give some space, and I'll give some alphabets. If I run this, see there is a gap. To fill that gap, I'll give L trim, means trim in the left side. See, the name has been trimmed. In the same way we can do right also, but right we cannot see that. Let me verify that for you. See, I'm giving some gap, so I'll give R trim. See, this has been trimmed. And what is pending? I think everything is completed. I hope you understand the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon. Thanks for seeing the video. Bye.